herself, because that's discovery. And that's all they need to do. We don't have to shove it in their faces. And if you want to, you can feed out a bit more line. We kind of play the line in and out. We'll be working on line handling with all 3 dogs. That'll be the last thing we do. Line handling and articles. So there, that was a little transition. So see her go back and forth a little bit? That's a T. T for transition. And when it gets tangled like that, I just go up to them and I untangle and let them go again. Yeah, we want them to be comfortable. I don't mind if it's under the elbow, but under the back feet it's not comfortable. There, so she came towards the tree. Can you feel even the difference when you come in here yourself? Yeah, it's all a different kind of feeling of air and movement. See how, remember I talked about the channel? She's going back and forth checking those edges. So we don't really know exactly where he walked.
No, neither do I.
No?
You want to let it go?
Yeah. I said stick to the edges, so he may have just really gone right in here. We're just gonna let her, because she's not gonna do anything really wrong.
Hey, leave it. Leave it.
That could be a critter scent.
It's a bug.
Yeah. Oh, students. Or birds. Or foxes, or whatever. Is he back on? So, we'll start watching shortly for speed to pick up and her head to lift. Doesn't she look on? Lift, a little head lift, head lift. I call that ears. Micah, I call that her article ears. Ears? Ears? Funny. I know you've seen it, but I don't ever get tired of it. Nice job. Well, on the way back, you could tell us where you